All right, everybody. We've talked a lot about structure and what it means and how things look and stuff like that in the past couple of weeks when we were talking about our biomolecules. So now I have a challenge for you. All right. So your challenge, your demonstration, your experiment for this week is I would like you to find stuff around your house and make a model of DNA or RNA. Or if you feel like going a little bit outside of the box and you remember the parts of the cell, you can do that too. We haven't gone over that in class. That's not what I'm expecting you to do. Okay. But um, yeah, I would love to see models of DNA and RNA. And so I've grabbed a couple of things here. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I love building toys. So we have wooden bits that go together that have all sorts of neat connectors that I could use to show my base pairs. And I have these plasticky things that hook together, and you can match up the colors. Maybe the blue is a hydrogen bond or something, and then the yellow could be the backbone. I don't know. So there's all different options, okay? And so let's talk about what I want you to do, and let's talk about what I don't want you to do. I don't want you to Google a picture and just recreate that picture. I don't want that. I don't want you to get stressed out about this and think that it has to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just need you to try. It's just like always, okay? I just need you to try. What I do want you to do, sorry, I shook my head like the whole thing moved. What I do want you to do is I want you to find a method that makes sense for you, okay? So if you have a building toy, if you have Lego bricks, if you have anything along those lines, then that's a good medium for you, and you can build out of that. If you have construction paper and a glue stick, you can make it out of that. I do not necessarily want just a drawing. I really would like the building part, the actual making part, to be obvious. But if you made it out of paper, obviously there would be drawing components in it as well. Okay, and let's talk about some other stuff that it doesn't have to come to school. It doesn't have to travel anywhere, right? So it can be laid out on a piece of paper, and maybe you make it out of pens, pencils, and markers because that's what you have. Or maybe you find lots of different rocks outside and you make me a diagram with those. Or maybe you have some time on Minecraft or Roblox or a building game like that. Maybe you design it in that. Let's think of some other things. Oh, maybe you have candy pieces or cookie or some other kind of food pieces that you want to use for your model. Totally fine. Totally fine. Okay. What I need to see is I need to see the backbone. We talked about it. The phospholipid backbone. Okay. I need to see where the nucleotides come together and make the base, and the base pairs have the hydrogen bonds. I need to see that, okay? And I need to see that you have the different kinds of pairings, right? Because there are two kinds of pairings. You guys remember this from the talk, and we're going to go a little bit more into this now that we've broached the subject, but I want you guys to go ahead and show me that you understand sort of the concept and basically what it looks like, okay? Before we go for any further into biochemistry, so it's gonna go a little bit into genetics and stuff as well. So it's gonna be cool. But yeah, so what do I want you to do? I want you to make me something awesome. Okay? That's what I do want you to do. And I want you to use anything and everything you have at your disposal. Remember, it doesn't have to go anywhere. It doesn't have to survive a car ride to school. All you have to do is take pictures or a video and get it to me to turn it in, to mark it as done, right? And that's all you have to do. It doesn't have to go anywhere. I don't want you just printing things off. I don't want you just drawing on a sheet of paper. I don't want you stressed out. And I don't want you trying to phone it in, because every single one of you guys, and Rain, I'm including you in that too. You know you're one of my guys. Every single one of you guys, you have the capability to make amazing, wonderful, impressive things using your own creative noggin, okay? And so, because I believe in you, I want to see what you can do. All right? So, I'm going to let you go. You guys jump on that, okay? And I will see you later. Have a great and wonderful day.